Hey guys, and this is your official look to the Motorola Edge Plus, the flagship from iconic brand. So all the rumors, leaks and speculations were right on point. Yes, after 2 years, Motorola is finally launching a flagship device with high-end features. So you can see the Edge Plus looks stunning, the back looks okayish because of the camera design. I think Samsung's approach is better than all. There we have a 6.67 inches 90Hz waterfall display. I know many of you prefer flat screen. There are many like me who love curved edges. I have the OnePlus 7 Pro and this design is something amazing. You play games, you watch movies, it looks stunning. Top and bottom chin looks really small and the hole punch is also as small as one in the Galaxy S20 Plus, which is great. There's a headphone jack on top, which is something you won't find in the Galaxy S20 Plus or Galaxy Note 10, iPhone and many other devices. Now this thing is thick for sure, and that's cause of 108 megapixel. Even the Galaxy S20 Ultra is that thick, and so is the Xiaomi Mi 10, the Mi Note 10. Okay, so it's not a bad design at all, but it's not something Motorola-ish. I mean, there was this iconic circular camera module and there was this Moto X which never came back. I really like this overall design language. This boxy design looks great, reminds me of the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. I'll buy it for sure. Specs are quite top notch. They are even better than the Galaxy S20 Plus. So a 90Hz OLED display, and I think 90Hz is super fine both for battery and normal users. Then we have a 5000 mAh huge battery with fast charging, Snapdragon 865, 8/12 gigs of RAM and 108 megapixel camera which can take some amazing images. There's also a small variant Moto Edge Non-Plus which features Snapdragon 765 CPU and has 64 megapixel IMX686 camera. So these are some downgrades, rest design and specs are same. So yes, all in all design is top notch and so is the specs of Moto Edge Plus. Motorola plans to launch this beast by the end of March and I think the pricing should be $999 which is 70,000 Indian rupees. The Galaxy S20 Plus is priced at $1100 that's 74,000 Indian rupees. The Edge Plus outperforms the S20 Plus but they'll price it lower than that. Yeah, that's all guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.